Hey, looky here. It's Ice Age TV Day, and what are we doing today, right? What is today's project besides me adding some really cool factory mud flaps or splash guards or whatever you want to call it to my brand new baddest ass SUV I've ever owned, Bronco hot pepper red chili hot pepper, whatever you want to call it, right? And let's try to keep this truck looking new by putting some splash guards on it, protecting that beautiful paint. So follow me along as I install my new splash guards mud flaps on my red hot chili pepper 2022 Ford Bronco Wildtrak edition. I mean, oh my gosh. You want to talk about a list of things to do on this new badass Bronco? Oh my gosh, it doesn't end. I mean, I just ordered the back tool box for it, and I got the tray for it, and I got the storage for it, and I mean, oh my gosh, you know as well as I do, this infinite on the projects on my Bronco. So follow me along today and I'll show you how to put these on. Or maybe I'll show myself how to put them on, right? All right, always the fun part, opening up the package, right? So let's see here. Just say which is which, right? Does it tell me if it's a front or it's the back? Which is it, right? So let's open it up and see what we got. One thing for sure, when I buy cars, I really just love accessorizing them. And it's like Christmas, right? Open my little packages here. So, I'm guessing, what's the guess? Where does this one go? I don't think it goes back here. Nah, I think this is the front one personally. I haven't looked at the instructions yet. I'm just guessing. But yeah, I would say, no, wow, I'm way off on that. Right? Or am I? Yikes. Should I look at the instructions first before I make a fool out of myself? What should I do, right? Yeah, I think I better. Yikes. This is probably like a different model. Yikes. All right. 2021 Bronco. Any special hints here? Anybody who's already done it, right? They'll be like, dude, you're doing it so wrong. But what's so funny here, it doesn't even show. Yeah, that's the front. Definitely the front. All right, well, I'm concerned that the Wildtrak edition doesn't allow this. Front splash guards. I don't know, man. My gut instinct is, how right or wrong am I? Let's see here. As we get in here. Yeah, maybe, I guess. Yeah, I guess that's what it is, right? I don't know. I'll do some studying here, aren't I? So the first thing we do is get my power LED light, right? That would help the circumstances. Let's do that right now. Get some light up in here and see what's going on. All right, so let's see here. That goes over there like that. But I don't know, man. I think that the Wildtrak probably doesn't allow you to do this. I'm thinking that you can't do it. So there's some clips right here. Maybe I should read the instructions, right? That'd be a good idea. All right, the instructions are saying pop these two out. So we're gonna take the little screw out. Take the next little screw out here. And that should enable us to pop these out and peel this back. That's what it's looking like right here. So follow me along. All right. I don't know, man. This seems like, it just doesn't seem like this is gonna fit. I mean, this just makes no sense to me at all. I mean, I don't know. Without me modifying this, I just can't see it, man. I mean, is that? There's no way. That's like right. All right, there's no way these front ones are right. No way. And even the back right here, you already put like a little mud flap there. I mean, this one here. This here, no doubt in my mind, that'll be right. But the front ones are wrong. It's Wildtrak. Guarantee you something's gotta be different than Wildtrak. All right, I just drilled some new holes. Look how close that is. Yikes, right? My right-hand drill. These things are great. Getting in tight areas. I can get it to turn for you to see how that works. See that? Isn't that cool? I'm gonna make it work. All right, got her on. Had to re-drill all the holes. So look at there, huh? Take your little right hand tool here with your drill. So I got that one in, then I kind of re-drilled all of them. And perfect. Let's go to the next side. All right, now the next side. So we take off these 3 screws here. How loose that is, huh? It's real simple. You really can't reuse these holes, so all about drilling. So now what you do, let's put this up here like that. And I think the smartest thing to do is just take your drill and get yourself set right here. So I'm gonna drill that with my right hand drill right here. Yeah, so I'll just take this here. It's all plastic, so it's just really nothing that radical, you know. Take that there like that. And a good driller. That way you can get her started, you know. Okay. So, about right. Pretty close. Take her, start her in. I think you want to pull too hot. All right, we got that first one set. So now get another one set here. Okay. Get my little tool here. Having right-hand tools, it's awesome. All right, so you kind of get the idea now. Drill the rest of those holes. Bing, bam, done. All right, let's try to get this last one on here. There you go. How about that, huh? Man, the fronts, I think they sold me the wrong ones for fronts. I'll look at it one more time. I think they don't work personally. All right, how about that, huh? How's it looking? I think that's good. Like it? Bumming on the front though. Makes no sense. All right. Finished product is, I got the rear ones on, which those aren't really the most important ones. Really with the fronts, but there's no way that those are the correct ones that I just got today. So I'll call my good man, Ford dealer, and I'm sure there'll be a little clause in there. It says, but does not fit Wildtrak. So the adventure continues on the baddest ass Bronco ever built right here in front of me. Haha, forget the wrap.